Hello, you're very welcome to Scratch Saturday. This week we're going to look at a very simple program which looks at moving a sprite and colliding. Just to show you what it does, you basically have a character, red character, and his job there is to collide and touch off the blue things. Once they touch them, they basically disappear. My left key doesn't actually work, so I basically have to click on it to move it back. So you can see how that works anyway. So that's basically it. Nothing major about the program. We'll have a look inside and see how it works. So basically we have a blank screen at the back. A stage has no code whatsoever, and we've got three sprites here, and then a red one here. The red one has where all the code is. I've just added this thing here. When you click the sprite, it glides back to 22011. That's just because my left key isn't working on my keyboard, and I've no way of pressing the left key to bring it back. But you should be able to move up, down, left, and right, and that's effectively what this game does. So when you hit the up arrow is pressed, then you point it in the direction 0, which is up, and move 10 steps. Point down. If you press the down key, it goes down, that's 180 degrees. Go right, it goes 90 degrees. And if you have a left arrow working on your keyboard, it points to 70 degrees and moves. And that's really all the red thing does. It's really these guys, the blue keys, who all have the same code. When you click on this arrow forever, if they just sit there, if they're touching the red, so basically when the red gets them, so let's just see what that looks like. So when it touches the red, bonk, it disappears, it waits 1 second, shows up again, and then glides to a random point between 1 and 200 x and y. So they're always going to be somewhere around here on the screen. That's as simple as it is. There's no more to it. This could be the basis of some games, I'd say, if you were going to create some games. So maybe worth trying out. I'm sure if you would like to give me some examples of how you'd use it in your as the basis of a game, or if you have any comments to make this improve, or even to make it a little bit more difficult. I hope your left key is working on your keyboard, and if it is, you can certainly remove this piece of code. But until next time, we'll see you next week, and I hope you enjoyed this Scratch Saturday.